Hello, my dear students. How do you feel today? I hope everybody is okay. Everybody is happy. Hi from a sunny day. Now, it's time to our world. Open your Our World book and page. I'm opening right now. I am opening right now. Yes, page 118. Discoveries in the dark. Discoveries in the dark paragraph, and now we are reading today. Listen and read. You are following right now.
Track B22, Activity 13. Listen and read. Discoveries in the dark. Explorer David Gill and his team are studying the beautiful island of New Britain in Papua New Guinea. Some of the biggest river caves on Earth can be found here. During their 2-month expedition, the team explores 13 kilometers, 8 miles of river caves, discovering waterfalls, lakes, and much more. The team makes a base camp at the top of the Doline, a large bowl carved by rainwater. They sleep here, surrounded by rainforest and the sounds of frogs and insects. To reach Aura Cave, the explorers must descend the Doline. Before entering the caves, they check their safety equipment. They need headlamps to explore the dark world of river caves. And they can't cross rivers without ropes. Aura's upstream hike is difficult, and the river flows dangerously fast. Eventually, it leads to a large cave as big as a theatre. The explorers shine their headlamps on the ceiling, which is more than 30 meters, 100 feet high. A beautiful blue lake lies below. Unfortunately, the explorers can't hike to Phantom Pot from Aura Cave because there is a rocky sump, an area where water drains back into the earth. So they have to descend another day to Phantom Pot Cave. This time, the explorers crawl for 2 hours through a tiny rocky tunnel. When they reach Lake Mayo and the Mayo Falls, they are tired and wet, but the view is truly incredible. David Gill hopes that one day the Papua New Guinea government will create a conservation area to protect this wonderful place.
Okay, right now, did you understand? I know you can understand easily. Now we can see some, or we can learn some meaning of new words. For example, expedition. Do you know expedition? Think a little bit and please try to find from dictionary. If you want, you can use your mobile phone or internet. Yes, expedition. I am explaining right now. A journey. I can say a journey with a group of people, but important thing is with a particular purpose. How can I say, for example, such as war, research, I can say about it. And Dolin, do you know Dolin? There is a meaning of Dolin, of course, in our paragraph. For example, where is it? Dolin, a large bowl carved by rainwater, yes, and it's about a karstic region. And surround, maybe somebody knows, but being around. Surround means being around. And upstream, do you have any information or any idea about it? I can say moving or situated in the opposite direction. In river, yes, for example, you can understand from moving or situated in the opposite direction. And incredible, very easy one, impossible to believe, of course, and a synonym of incredible, I can say extraordinary. Okay, right now I want to ask some questions about it. What rivers do you know in Turkey? Please think about it. What words describe a river? If you want to describe a river, and what words do you prefer to use, for example? I can say, or you can use, big, deep, wide, WIDE, or find rivers in many places, of course. There are rivers inside some caves. Imagine you saw a river in a cave. What do you think it might look like? Okay, think about it. We find rivers in many places, of course. There are rivers inside some caves. Imagine you saw a river in a cave. What do you think it might look like? Say something or think something about in your mind. And right now, I want to ask some questions about discoveries in the dark after reading. Yes, first, you can find it, paragraph 1. How many kilometers of river caves do David Gill and his team explore? How many kilometers of river caves do David Gill and his team explore? Yes, now you can find from 13 kilometers. Paragraph 2. What's a dolin? What's a dolin? A large bowl carved by rainwater, and we can say it's a karstic region. How tall is the cave that the explorers find? What do the explorers reach at the end of their journey? Paragraph 3, third one, you can find it. One more time I'm asking. How tall is the cave that the explorers find? What do the explorers reach at the end of their journey? First question, first answer is 30, and second answer is Lake Mayo or Mayo Falls. And the last paragraph, what does David Gill hope? And the last one you can find easily. David Gill hopes that one day the Papua New Guinea government will create a new conservation area to protect these wonderful places. Okay, and the other page, exercise 14, read and write. How long do the explorers spend on a New Britain island? Now, find it. Answer is 2 months. What safety equipment do they use? Easy. Rope and headlamp. Why can't they hike directly from Ora Cave or Phantom Pot Cave? Why can't? Now there is a rocky sump, that's why. How can the government protect this island in the future? And the similar thing, the last paragraph, again you can find easily. Create a conservation area. Okay. And exercise 15. Read the text again. Look at the cave diagram and number the places below 1 or 6. Yes, right now. You can see some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and some pictures and some places. Okay, look. Base camp, Lake Mayo, Dolin, Sump, Underground River, and Rainforest. First answer is given, one underground river, and second one, which one? Which one? Now I can say base camp. Look at third picture. Where is it? It can be rainforest and the lean. I'm so sorry. Look, I can say it's Dolin. And look at fifth. Where is it? I can say Lake Mayo. And the last one, Sump. We can say Sump. Sump meaning again. I want to find some an area where water drains back into the earth. And right now, everybody, yes. Work with a friend. You can see discuss same risks that the explorers could face on different parts of their journey. Compare your ideas with another pair's ideas. You can see two examples. The explorers could fall in the river. Yes, maybe. They might also lose their equipment in the river. Yes, it's possible. And please think about it. If you want, you can say to your mom, dad, or your brother or your sister, if you want, or your maybe friends. Okay, and right now, I want to explain something. Crystal. You can see crystal in discoveries in the dark paragraph. Crystal looks like a piece of glass, right? You can see through it. In some places you can find crystals in the ground. Yes. And I want to say one more thing. Model, for example, Dolin. Think about Dolin. Have you ever seen Dolin? Me, no. I haven't seen yet, or I haven't seen before. I am not sure what a Dolin looks like, of course, but I will try to imagine maybe what one looks like. Yes, the text says it's a large bowl carved by rainwater, and I'm visualizing a soup bowl. That means I am picturing in my mind, of course. The bowl sides don't go straight up and down. Oh, they are curved. Thinking about the soup bowl helps me imagine what a Dolin probably looks like. And it's time, and your turn, please think about it. Try to imagine. And everybody, right now, for example, how can I say? Yes, I want to say, or tell a small story about it. Everybody, listen to me carefully. I can say twice, but listen to me carefully. You are walking in the forest. It's very dark, so you have to shine your headlamp. You locate a very tall tree. When you look at a tree, you hear monkeys making noises. You see two ropes hanging from the tree. On one rope, you see two monkeys ascending. On the other rope, you see two monkeys descending. You are very curious about the monkeys. One more time, listen. You are walking in the forest. It's very dark, so you have to shine your headlamp. You locate a very tall tree. When you look at the tree, you hear monkeys making noises. You see two ropes hanging from the tree. On one rope, you see two monkeys ascending. On the other rope, you see two monkeys descending. You are very curious about the monkeys. Yes, listen. And right now, I want from you, drawing the picture you have in your head. You listen, and then please draw these stories picture, everybody. And this is your homework. Please send me there your pictures, of course. This is your homework, everybody. And right now, at the end of the lesson right now, and I'm looking that I want to say something, but no, it's finished. Okay, we will see again. Don't forget your homework, and I'm waiting your old homework. Please send me. Okay, see you. Take care.